This used to be some friend's hunt camp. It is completely inundated and stripped bare of the things I remember here for the most part. There is some debris, some ruins, but I'm not sure there's anything useful left. But at least their land didn't wash away. Maybe they can construct another hunt fish camp. Pretty sad. There's somebody's home right there, and it looks rather familiar to me off there in the woods. Somehow the dish is still there, but I'm pretty sure it got really wet. Some more of the ruins down here close to the river. This double wide seems to have been spared, which is remarkable. I reckon it's on a little bit higher ground than I realized. But the roof don't look great, but that might have been an existing problem. And their little outbuilding's still there, so that's probably didn't get any water inside of it. Amazingly, this white mansion down here seems to have survived. I really expected that was one of the big clumps of debris I saw during the storm. But it looks largely intact. I can't say it isn't severely damaged. I don't know, but it's there. Here's what the river looks like. Let's just say it's apocalyptic. It is very different. All right, so here's some debris, pieces of houses, lost streams right up in the road. I still haven't made up the fish stop. The houses that are up on the hill seem to have fared okay, which is amazing. I was kind of worried about landslides on their behalf. Somebody's trailer, it might actually still be usable. And then we come around the bend to where my good friend Kevin Waldrop, aka Snakebite, lived, and it is totally devastated. It's all gone. A lot of mud. There's a lot of debris, a lot of weight. The water's a lot heavier when it's full of all this stuff. It does a lot of damage. And that there cabin, it came from a ways upstream and crashed into this trailer. And, well, it got high enough to damage that house. It's kind of up a bit. You look down, there's nothing like it used to look like here. I'm standing up here in front of what used to be my friend Kevin Snakebite Waldrop's place, and there is no sign it was there. Like apocalyptic. I mean, I'm getting kind of choked up looking at this. I mean, I know all these people. I've known these people for a long time. It's hard to see that they've lost everything. I'm not sure how many these hill folks, much like myself, could afford flood insurance. I know I don't have none. I might have lost everything and have to figure it out all on my own. We'll see what happens. But I am not alone. There's a lot of other people in exactly the same boat. It's a miracle they're still alive, though. This whole area along here was full of houses. Some trailers, lots of really well-built houses, and it's all gone. See a telephone pole. I don't even know if this is where it come from, if it got washed down from further up. But it's everything is stripped away. Even the other side of the road is pretty trashed. There's kayaks. So a lot of my friends lost everything they got. They even lost their boats. So if you want to help, that's great. Please don't come sightseeing here. I don't know how the folks up here feel, but we hill folks down lower in the cove, we're on edge. This area in Upper Green River Cove was full of little yards and houses. Some of them extremely well built, others a little more rustic, lots of trailers. It's all been stripped clean.
and you can see all the way up to fish top access.
So it appears most of the Liquid Logic family is here with chainsaws. Our idea is to link up the cove so that we can shuttle between the obstructions with different types of vehicles and at least unite everybody that's in here so we can collaborate better.
Sticking out a little bit proud there.
One thing we have manpower. You can drive one of these days I'm gonna drive across this manhole.